Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra and turning it to a powerful handheld gaming device similar to the new Xbox Ally, but instead of running Windows, this setup is fully Android based and you can stream all your PC games, access cloud services and more. Now for this setup I'm using the Galaxy S24 Ultra. It's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 with 12 gigs of RAM, so performance isn't an issue here. For controls, I got it paired with the EasySMX M10, an affordable clip-on controller with responsive buttons and low input lag. Of course, you can use just about any controller you got laying around, Bluetooth or wired. What's great about this setup is how flexible it is. You don't need the latest flagship to make it work. On all the phone or tablet will do just fine as long as it has Wi-Fi and access to the Google Play Store. That's really all you need to get started with this build. Now this part really takes it to the next level. I 3D printed this custom phone dock that holds the S24 Ultra perfectly. Got space for USB-C hub so you can fully dock it either with HDMI out to your TV or directly to your portable monitor using USB-C. Super clean setup and it makes the whole experience feel like a real handheld console. Now, before we jump into the actual setup, let's quickly compare this to the upcoming ROG Xbox Ally. The handheld features 70-inch 1080p 120Hz display, the new AMD Ryzen Z2A processor, 16 gigs of RAM and 512 gigs M.2 SSD. You also get full-size analog sticks, Hall effect triggers, assignable buttons, and Xbox-inspired controls. On the other hand, the Galaxy S24 Ultra has a 6.8-inch AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and 12 gigs of RAM, more than enough for streaming, emulation and cloud gaming. So while it's not built for native PC gaming, this phone-based setup gives you a surprisingly similar experience, and in just a minute I'll show you exactly how to achieve that look-alike with the right apps and launcher. To get this setup running, we're using a combination of Apollo and Moonlight. Apollo runs on your gaming PC. It's a custom launcher that acts like your own personal game hub. And on the phone, Moonlight connects to Apollo and streams your games with low latency and great quality. Inside Apollo, you can link all your favorite apps, Xbox, Play Night, Steam, Epic Games, and more. So everything is one place, just like a console UI. It works great over your home network, but if you want to play anywhere in the world, we'll use Tailscale. It creates a secure connection between all your devices so they act like they're on the same network, no matter where you are. To get started with Apollo, just head over to the official GitHub page. I'll leave the link down in the description. Just download the latest release and go through the simple installation process. Once it's installed, you can start adding your favorite apps under the Application tab. And while we are here, let's also grab Tailscale. Just head over to tailscale.com, download the Windows version, and follow the quick install process. It only takes a minute. Once it's set up, you're signed in, your PC is now part of your secure private network. That means you'll be able to access it from anywhere, as if you are still on your home Wi-Fi. Once you connect it to your Apollo server using Moonlight, which you can grab right from the Play Store, you're ready to game. Let's jump into some gameplay. Here's Forza running through the Xbox app, and right after that Cyberpunk 2077, both streamed from my gaming PC using Moonlight. The performance is solid, input lag is minimal, and the experience feels really close to a native handheld console. And really quick, if you enjoyed this video so far and want to see more setups like this, feel free to drop a like and subscribe. It really helps the channel and lets me keep making content like this.
Destination.
Fuck's your problem, Psycho Suit? This look like a landing pad to you? Could have fucking crushed us. Jesus Christ. Okay, no, hey, we ain't looking for no beef with you. Leave me alone. Why is this happening?
And as a bonus, this is a great time to mention a launcher I recently came across. It's called HydraLauncher. I'll leave a link to the GitHub page in the pinned comment below. Just head over there, download the latest release, and follow the simple install steps. It's a clean, lightweight launcher that can help organize your games and apps in a real intuitive way. Perfect if you want to try just something new. So overall, this setup shows just how far you can push a modern smartphone. With the Galaxy S24 Ultra, a solid controller, and the right apps, you can build a handheld gaming experience that comes surprisingly close to what dedicated devices like the ROG Xbox Ally offer. You get a clean launcher, low latency game streaming, remote access from anywhere, and the flexibility to customize it all, whether you are gaming on the couch, on the go, or even docked to a monitor. First of all, most of the tools we used here are free, and the hardware is stuff you might already own. So if you're looking to get more out of your phone, this is a great way to do it. If you found this video helpful or you're building something similar, drop a like and consider subscribing for more DIY tech setups, handheld builds, and game streaming tips. As always, thanks for watching.